If you have pain in your knee while bending down to pick up an object, then this video is for you. Now, a lot of my patients have pain in their knee while bending down. And the reason is because when you bend down, you really need these stabilizing muscles to support your knee. And if they're not strong enough, your knee can tweak inwards, cause a lot of discomfort deep inside. So first thing we need to do is test the motion. Just bend down and pick something up, okay? And see, is there discomfort in the knee? If so, where is it? What's the intensity of it? And just look at where the knee tracks. Does it go more inwards or outwards? Just get a feel for where you are. Once you have that done, we'll move on to the exercises to improve the motion. The first exercise I recommend performing are the sit to stands. And the reason is because you're bending your knee as if you would pick up an object, but you're not going down as far. So there's less stress. Again, let's do this correctly. You get your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. You want to lean forward, nose over toes, and stand up, and then come back down. And you want to do this about 10 to 15 times. Again, keep your knees straight in the sagittal plane so there's no inward or outward motion, and back down. You can put your hands on your lap if you like, just don't push down as hard. Next exercise we want to do is a progression. Instead of sitting down all the way and standing up, we want to now stand up and perform a squat so that your butt touches the chair, and then you come back up. So you're not putting all your weight on the chair, you're using your muscles to support your body weight and improve that strength throughout your hip and knee. By improving that strength throughout your hip and knee, we'll better stabilize the knee while performing the bending activity. Perform 10 to 15 of those, and then we'll move on to the next one. And the next one is the actual activity itself. We're going to get into a squat position, just like before, feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Going to bend down, bring your butt back, and touch the floor, and then back up. Bend down, butt back, chest up and out, touch the floor. And really focus on the correct form. You should really feel good burn throughout the lateral aspect of the knee all the way up into the front, basically every part of the leg. Perform 10 to 15 of these, and then relax and just see how it feels. Now that we perform these exercises, we want to perform the activity again. So with the strength and knowledge that we have, we get into a good squat position. We bend down, pick up the object, and stand back up and see how it feels. Now, did you notice improvement with this exercise? If you did, great. If not yet, stick with it. Perform these exercise progressions for 1 week, 2 to 3 times a day, and you'll notice a difference. Now, in the last video, we're going to put it all together. I'm going to bring you through a knee strengthening mobility routine that you could perform every day to keep your knees strong, stable, and safe. If you'd like my free knee pain reset video, please click the link in the description below.